Hi, this is Princey for Kraftgali. In this video, I'm going to share my top 3 tools that I use while shooting for craft videos. The first one is the small Bluetooth remote for smartphones. This is very helpful to turn camera on and off hands-free. It helps to prevent camera shakes while starting or ending videos. And I have also observed it saves some phone memory for me because I don't feel lazy in turning off my camera in between clips. Last week I shared my inexpensive overhead filming video setup. I've linked the video if you'd like to check it out. The second tool is this craft mat. Not only it prevents my work surface, but it also looks visually good. A cleaner video helps prevent distraction from surroundings and bring more focus on projects. The third is good lighting. You may have the benefit of free natural light if you're filming in daytime, but if you're like me and have a full-time day job, you may want to invest in good quality daylight bulbs. I have 2 of these small auto lamps that I keep around my desk to have good visibility. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in comment section below and consider subscribing to our channel if you'd like to see more from us.